Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to register Fluxstar accounts and verify it successfully. So if you're new to this platform, I'll leave the link in this video description for you guys to use it to sign up so that you can register this Fluxstar exchange platform account and start making money from it. Okay, so let me go to my browser. Okay, so at the video description you see the link there and you need to click on it to register an account, as I said. Okay, so when you click on the link, this will appear. Okay, this interface will appear. This is the registration page. Okay, so what you have to do now is to click on this to select your country. Okay, so you just click on this and you select, maybe you are from USA or you are from Canada or UK. You just search your country over here, maybe Ghana or Nigeria. You search your country, then you click on it. Okay, then you click on the next button. Okay, so what you have to do now is to enter your email address, the email address you want to use to register the account. You enter your email address, then you enter your password. Okay, so your password should contain characters with at least 8 bits and at least one number and a letter. So let me enter this as my password. Okay, so when you are done entering your password, you need to make sure the referral code is this. Okay, this one, the PISO. Yeah, so when you click on the link, automatically the referral code will be pasted here. Okay, so when you are done filling this form, you just click on create account to register the account and start trading with this platform or start making money from it. Okay, so you can also set your withdrawal password. So this is funding password. So use the password to verify the withdrawal and deposit transaction in order to better safeguard your cryptographic assets. Okay, so you click on this setting to set your password. Okay, so you can't use the same password you used to create your account. Okay, this is your withdrawal password, so you need to set a different password. Okay, so let me set a different password. Okay, so when you are done setting your withdrawal password, you just click on this settings and you can see your withdrawal password is saved. Okay, so now you have successfully registered an account, and also let me show you guys how to verify your account successfully. Okay, so to verify your account, you need to click on this icon over here. You can see there is an icon over here. You click on this icon, then you click on verifying your real name. Okay, so you click on this, so this will appear. Okay, and what you need to do here is to select your country, then you choose the document type, whether the ID card or passport or driving license or any other verification requirements you want to use. Okay, so if you are from Ghana or Nigeria or USA, you just click on this country, then you search for your country. Let's say you're from Ghana, you search for Ghana, then you choose the required document you want to use to verify your account, whether ID card or passport or driving license or any other documents you want to use. Okay, so you enter your document ID here and your real name, then you upload a picture, the front picture. Let's say you are using a passport or you're using the ID card, you upload the front picture of the ID card, then you upload the back picture of the ID card, then you hold the ID card and make a selfie of it with the ID card and upload this here too. After that, you click on submit. Okay, so when you're done making all this, your account will be verified. It will change from this not yet verified to the verified section. Okay, so you can see I just verified my account right now and it's successful. Okay, so if this video helped you to register the Fluxstar accounts and verify it successfully, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.